Hello friends, this is your host from Talash-e-Dilli. Let me ask you one simple question. Have you ever walked through Delhi and felt that this city has stories that no guidebook ever tells? If yes, then this video is for you. When people think of Delhi, they think of big monuments, traffic, and crowds. But Delhi is much more than that. Delhi lives in its streets, in its markets, in its people, in small moments that most people walk past every day. This is where Talash-e-Dilli begins. Talash-e-Dilli means searching for the real Delhi. We are not here to rush you from one monument to another, and we are not here to give you long history lectures. We are here to help you understand Delhi. At Talash-e-Dilli, we organize heritage walks through Old Delhi. We walk slowly, we observe carefully, and we listen to stories hidden in everyday life. We walk through old streets where families have lived for generations, through busy markets that work on trust, not contracts, through food lanes where recipes are passed down, not written down. These walks are not about dates and rulers. They are about people, about culture, about how the city actually lives and breathes. When you walk with Talash-e-Dilli, it feels like a local friend is showing you the city. You learn why the streets feel chaotic, but still work perfectly. Why food, faith, and community are deeply connected in Delhi. Our walks are for travelers, locals, and curious minds who want more than just photos. Small groups, simple language, real conversations. You don't just see Old Delhi, you feel it, you understand it. Because cities are not made only of buildings, they are made of stories. So if you want to discover Delhi beyond monuments, beyond guidebooks, and beyond first impressions, walk with us. Talash-e-Dilli, walk Delhi.